Morning, everybody. Troy from the Do-It-Yourself world. We had a bad ice storm, and it's devastating. I'll get more photo later, but there's nothing left to a lot of trees everywhere. Fence is broken down, and the trees are completely stripped bare in places. I'll walk around and we'll get some views. It's really bad. Trees are still cracking and falling. There, I just heard a big one go down. It's bad ice storm. Nobody has power in most of northern lower Michigan. It's just all thick. And that's what's breaking our trees. It's thick. All the power lines are down. It's chaos out there. Nobody slept last night because of just the madness of falling trees. It was just like every minute or so something came down, or actually a couple times a minute, some of them. Well, that one's a loss. That one got topped in the night. And it's over our fence. Let's go survey the damage. Well, there's that one. Oh, there's stuff falling in the yard even now. We lost a couple boards in the fence. Oh boy, I don't even know if I should be out here. There's stuff falling even now. That one's topped. That one's down. There was one broke. There's stuff falling even now. I might not be able to go survey it. I don't know if it's safe to go through here. Let me see. It's mostly the pine trees that are tearing apart, though. We'll have to clear that before we can get out. I hear trees falling everywhere. There's one down. There's one down. There's one down. Well, the power lines are up here. There's one down. There's one down. Oh no. Yeah. Oh, it's just utter destruction. Just look at this row. It's just, oh, what a mess. There's a power line down there. It could be a week before people get power. This is insane. Well, there's no worry about walking around the power lines because there's no power anywhere in their surrounding towns. There's no internet, no cell phones. Oh, I'm gonna have to rebuild everything. It looks like all the fencing the fencing is hit. Our internet line is down. The fencing is down. Oh, look at this. Just utter destruction. That tree's been topped. Total destruction. The backyard, oh no. Here the fence is taken out. Here the fence is taken out. There the fence is taken out. There's our internet line. What a mess. I can't even get to the propane tank. It's gone. There the fence is taken out. Oh boy. What? Boy. I just gotta be careful. They're falling everywhere. Care Road is shut down. Somebody was through in the night, but it's shut down now. Wow. Wow, so that one's down. Care Road looks like a war zone came through here. Look at that. Oh, nuts. There's nobody gonna go through here. This is a mess. I'm not even gonna walk through here. It's supposed to thaw out later. And I'm not even gonna walk through here because of the danger of it. Because look at all those trees bowing down. They're all breaking. That's a big boy there. That was a big tree. It's just all falling down. Okay, not as bad as I thought down through here. There's a lot of stuff on the side of the road, but Lyle is open as far as I can see. There's a lot of stuff on the side of the road. Let me pause. There's a treetop gone. There's one. There's one. There's one. There's one. There's just not going to be much left anymore. My fence is all annihilated. There's going to be so much to repair. I had a fence line there. There's a treetop on the ground. That one's broke off at the top. That one's cracked at the top. It'll probably take me half a year to get back into my forest. Yeah. There's no going through there anymore right now. Not for a while. Oh. A tree just fell up in there. Look at this mess. That one's broke off over here. That one's broke off over here. What a mess. Alright, I'm gonna head back over to the... We'll head down to... Oh, another tree just came down. They're falling even now as I record. I'm gonna head out to town line and see what it looks like. Well, here's the line down. I hope my lens isn't dirty. Let me check. So here's the line right over the road. Oh, there's a tree hanging on it. There's another tree just crashed by our home. They're crashing all over. Well, there's no power here, but I'm gonna go around. Let me pause. Down there, that's nearly impassable. This is an amazing camera. That's quite a ways down. Another tree coming down out by our house. We're not gonna have anything left. So, another one coming down by our house. Oh wow. So, the roads are just a mess. There's another one coming down up in here. Oh, I see a tree down over half the road this way. Now we're gonna break out of here after a while, after breakfast, and see if there's power. We have no phone, no internet, no nothing at all. See if there's power anywhere and get a phone call out to somebody. But I don't have high hopes for it. Well, we're gonna have to do some sun. Pine Road is blocked. We're not getting out anywhere without some sun. I can't go through Lyle because it's the power line is down, and this way we'll have to cut some trees.